Friday, November 17th, 2023, Adairsville, Georgia. We are at the Quick Trip truck stop. We have been 115 miles since we got gas at the Kroger in Jefferson today. I want to catch the rest area up here and then just cruise through Buc-ee's and Love's. I want to see if I can't go get some more cattails over at the Love's and go to Calhoun, go to the Kroger at Calhoun and get some more Amazon cards. I found a camera, a 360 camera that I think is the right one that I want. If so, we'll be ordering it this weekend. There's a high likelihood of it. But we want to get the Amazon cards from Kroger. I think I've got it clipped where you'll get 4 times the fuel points. So if we can get 4 times the fuel points, that would be good. Today we had 1,000 fuel points and the van took 24 gallons exactly. We used our 1,000 fuel points. That saved us $24 on 1 tank of gas. So we try to save money on gas any way we can, because that is my biggest expense of all my driving around. And like I said, this Quick Trip is also a truck stop. It's not set up like the really big one down in Brunswick, but it is more of a truck stop than most of the other ones. I think this is exit 306. We're going to get back on 75. There's a rest area right up a couple miles up, and that rest area is usually packed with trucks. And you can see all the trucks here at this Quick Trip. There's a truck stop over there that has some trucks over there. There's another one that's going to reopen on the other side of the bridge over there. I'm not sure when, but at some point. And so we're going to hang the camera up there where we won't be riding down the road holding the phone. And it's warm. It's about 70 degrees. I-75 to the right is Chattanooga, to the left to take you on down to Florida. Yeah, I want to come through this rest area and see how busy it is. Then we'll go up there and we'll get off at Buc-ee'S. If Buc-ee'S isn't too crowded, we'll cut through, drive through, but I'm not going to stop. And cruise through. We may get a coffee at Love's, I don't know. But then I want to go back behind Love's over to the little pond and get some more cattails. And from there I want to go up to Calhoun and go to the Kroger and get some more of these Amazon cards. See if they have any discount salmon. I wouldn't mind. I bought a air fryer. I'm going to have to do a review of it. I'm pretty sure you could air fry salmon. So if we can, we might try that tonight. Do a review of the air fryer. Really nice afternoon. We've already uploaded 3 videos from the phones. 1 or 2, I think 1 or either 2 from the S22 Ultra, and 1 or 2 from the S22 regular. I'm starting to upload more from the phones, edit and upload. I don't get to edit as much of it and as good, but it sure does save a lot of time. And it doesn't count on my gigs, because unless it's a hotspot, all my gigs are free. trucks are lined up all out here. They're not now, but there are quite a few trucks up there. Looks like about 10 or 12 with what is down here. Well, that's what we saw in the quick trip. This is a nice rest area. I haven't been through here during the day, just at night. Very nice rest area. And I know it's well used because I have seen all the traffic at night, so. Yeah, but I've seen it at night where the whole truck parking was full, the ramp in was full, the ramp out was full, Love's was full, the pilots were full. Spur, it'd be the bypass, Calhoun bypass. To the left will take you on over into Rome, through Rome and over into Alabama. To the right will take you all the way back over to Adairsville. We'll be back up here. We'll be in Dalton tomorrow and maybe Sunday. Granddaughter has softball games. This is exit 310. I've got to remember that. This place is usually hopping. Looks like it is again today. But I guess that's what you'd expect here on 75. Right over there where that trailer is over there, that tractor trailer over there, that white one, that's where the cattails are. Come on, folks, let's go. Calhoun, Georgia, Friday afternoon at 3 o'clock. Folks, I'm going to tell you, I don't know where everybody's coming from, coming to Georgia, but we're full. Go to Tennessee, North Carolina, somewhere. Keep on going, go to Florida. Georgia's full. Trying to get out of Buc-ee'S, look at it. Trying to get in. The madhouse. Look at all the people trying to get out. And we can't go out the back way and go right. It goes down at dead ends. So we've got to come back out this way. There's a shorty. And see, I'd buy some, you know, a short one like that. I would buy a longer one, but I would just drive it around and try to sell it. People having to back out can't even pull all the way through. Oh, I guess they're just backing out to park. Crazies everywhere. Can we pull all the way through? Nope. There's nowhere here that you can pull all the way through. Try to let you get a view and then turn to the right and go out the back. We got it lined up all the way down there. Now this one has a bunch of Tesla charging stations. Let's see how many people are at the Tesla charging stations. I think this thing has about 12. I know it's got at least 12, may have 15. Okay, let's see. You got air there. Now, how are those charging stations powered? What is that there? Is that a generator? Is that natural gas? Is that propane? How are they powering these Teslas? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them. We're going to go out to the right and turn left right here where we won't get in that crowd trying to come out over there on the other side. And then we're going to cut across. I don't guess we'll go into Love's because you'll be able to see it. We'll go behind the Love's and see about getting us some more cattails. Berry Construction, they got Buc-ee'S there. Is Buc-ee'S gonna, you reckon they're gonna start having some campsites? I've heard that Love's is getting into the camping business. I bet they're gonna have campsites over there. I bet that's what it is. What else would it be? Okay, let's cut it off until we get to the cattails. I can't turn this phone as good as I can pan the Osmo or the GoPro, but I'm gonna let you see the Loves. You can see the trucks over there. It's pretty packed. Tonight, I'm sure. When we come out, we're going to turn left and go up and go to Calhoun versus getting on 75. Well, folks, the cattails have pretty much already started busting out, spreading their little seeds. I want to get some of that grass over there too, but I'm not going to jump. That drops off about 1.5 feet. I'm not going to jump over in there. And they say every part of the cattail is edible. There's some of that grass. I guess we'll leave that alone too right now. That'll make a mess in the van. Okay, well, let's cut it off and go to the Kroger up there in Calhoun.